Do you feel like reviewing and organizing meeting notes takes up more time than you would like? Sometimes I spend half my week in meetings. That's a lot of notes. But if you have Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can create a custom recap to help you quickly find the things that matter most to you. To use Copilot, AI summaries, or custom summaries, the transcript must be turned on during the meeting. After the meeting is over, you can go back to the meeting on the calendar and select Recap. Or if you prefer, you can go back to the meeting chat and click the View Recap message or Recap in the tabs at the top. They will all take you to the same place. If you have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, you'll see the button for Custom Summary. Microsoft has provided two templates, Speaker Summary and Executive Report. Clicking either one of the buttons will generate notes for you based on the prompts built into the template. But for this video, we're going to focus on creating our own template. In the dialog box that appears, you can enter a prompt to describe the format for your notes, or you can use the suggestion follow the format in and copy and paste a sample format for Copilot to use. For the first example, I'm going to paste a sample prompt that's basically asking for a bullet point for each topic discussed, and then to include a subsection to highlight decisions and tasks. When you're ready with your prompt, click Preview. Depending on the length of the meeting, it can take Copilot several minutes to generate your notes. But here you can see that we have a few sections, one for user journey, video creation, etc. Beneath each section, we have the decisions and tasks at the bottom so that we can quickly identify the things that we need to take action on. If the prompt you used didn't give you the exact outcome you were looking for, you can continue refining the prompt and clicking Preview. Once you have what you want, click Save and Apply. Then you'll give your template a name. I'm going to call this template Summary and Decisions, and then click Save. We now have a summary and decision button at the top of the screen with the other templates. There's a check mark in the box letting us know that that's the summary that we're reading. You can still generate notes using the other templates. For example, if I want an executive report for my manager, I can generate that one as well. And then for each one you generate, you'll just click through the buttons to get back to it. I'd like to draw your attention to the copy button on the right-hand side of the screen. This will copy all of the notes onto your clipboard so you can put it in a Word document or an email to share with somebody who doesn't have access to the original meeting notes. I've switched to a different meeting so that we can look at another scenario for creating a template. Our group has a daily stand-up where each team talks about the top 3 tasks that they're going to work on and any roadblocks that they have. We already have a notes format that we like to use. Click Create a Template. In the dialog box, we're going to use the suggested follow the format in and then paste our preferred note outline. On the right-hand side, you can see that the output is the exact same thing as the sample notes that I provided in the box. So we have software development, training team, QA/QC, and then 3 tasks and a roadblock. Just like before, we're going to click Save and Apply and give the template a name. This time, I'm going to call it Stand-Up Notes. Now that we've added another template, I'd like you to notice the little arrow on the right-hand side of the screen that will allow you to scroll through your various templates. Setting up these templates will save a lot of time because now, whenever you're done with a meeting, you can go to the custom summary and select your template to quickly highlight the information that you need. The stand-up notes and summary with decisions are 2 quick and easy templates to set up. I encourage you to get creative and find ways to use these templates to review and organize your notes. This can free up time for you to focus on more important tasks.